Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am going to be working in my art journal again, so I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. I have got these two colors of Chipped Sapphire and Uncharted Mariner, and I'm just going to brush this on for my background. So I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. Just gonna go in with some circles and just try to, I want to, like a sky, a dark sky. Not a whole lot going on. The day you'll see this, I'll be in Tupelo with my family. It's like my birthday trip. We always try to go to Tupelo for our birthday. For Mother's Day, my sons gave me a Hobby Lobby card. So I'm anxious to spend that. And they have a Goodwill that I hope to go to. So, fun. I just want to, like I said, make my sky. And I'm going to bring in a little bit of a darker blue too, just to give it some dimension. And all right. Now, for the Chipped Sapphire. Just hit it in a few places. I've enjoyed playing in this journal that I got for Christmas. I never know exactly what I'm going to do, but it's fun playing. All right, I like that. I've got this image that came from Collage Soup, so I want to put that down. I thought she was cute. Sweet. And I will add this. Normally, I would try to use matte medium, and I thought about it. But since I'm using an oxide, I wasn't sure how the matte medium would react. So I'm just going to use art glitter glue. Sometimes it's just easier. I can always go over it later if I feel like I need to. And I don't worry about contaminating my brushes that I put this on. I don't have a huge selection, so I just use what I have. There we go. All right. Now, I have got this silver brush metal paint, and I should have done it before I put her down. That's okay. And I've got the star stamp, so I am just gonna kind of spread that out a little bit on my, there we go. Put a little bit more. It's not showing up too great. Sure wished I'd done this before I put it down. Got ahead of myself. Well, let's see, maybe I will get a little bit more right there. Let's see. All right. Try not to get ahead of myself. Okay, I'm going to dry this and I'll be back. All right, it is pretty dry. So now I'm just going to take this brush marker, and I'm not going to do all of them, but I'm just going to hit a few of the bigger stars. Just to give it a little bit more definition. And that'll help too with bringing that around, I hope. Glare I can't see. All right. And right here. I didn't get here. And I didn't get down here. All right. After cleaning up my room, I didn't know what I had done with this. This is my shimmer stick. And since I've kind of got that area around the moon, I'm just going to make a halo around it. And I believe I will also do the moon. Let it shine. All right. And now I want to embellish my little girl. So let's see if I can find a purple. I'm trying to find a pink. Just do her little I like the contrast of the black and white, but I just want to embellish it just a little bit. Okay. And maybe just a little bit of a, not much, just a, there. Okay. Let's see. Not make that quite so perfect, maybe. sure you can still see me. Make this a little bit better looking. I'm not very good with writing. I hate when the pen does that and it leaves that big puddle. But I'll never learn if I don't keep practicing. You can never reach the stars if you don't even try. Sometimes it may take a lot of falling on your face, but you have to keep trying. Okay, I'm going to dry this and I'll be back. All right, I've got that dry. And now I'm just going to use a gel pen and just kind of go around it. I usually find that the gel pens do better. May have to go over it a few times. May not have gotten it completely dry. Let me try a Posca pen. Usually I don't have very much luck with those, but maybe this time I will. Can only hope. All right, and I had to go over it a couple of times. And I think the only thing left for me to do is I want to go around her with my Stabilo All. Kind of make a shadow since she's in front of the moon there. Okay, let me grab my water pen. Since she's standing in front of the moon, I thought she should have a shadow behind her. All right. I think the only thing left is to sign it. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I know this is new to me, but it's a lot of fun. I really recommend you just get a book. You can get a composition book and just play. Have fun. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.